Hello friends. Thank you for joining me on this day where we're going to expand on the yogic breathing. We're going to make it more intense. And I'm going to introduce to you another soft, subtle technique called samavriti. It's very easy. Samavriti just means the even breath. So you breathe equal parts on the inhale and on the exhale for the same count. But I'll guide you through that later. So I'd like to begin by just finding our seat. Today I'm going to sit cross-legged. Make sure both your sitting bones are grounded evenly into the mat. And close your eyes and feel the weight of gravity pulling your body into the mat. And feeling that support from the ground underneath you. Placing your hands comfortably on your knees or your thighs. Relaxing any tension in your thighs or your hips or your lower legs. Allow that to melt and just allow the structure of your bones to keep you up. And check that your spine is nice and straight. And do a little scan from the top of your head through your face, relaxing tension in your eyebrows, temples, jaw, chin. Relaxing your neck and shoulders and your arms. And just check in for a moment before we begin our practice today. Follow your breath. Observe how you feel. And the quality of your mind at this moment. Okay. So you can watch me if you'd like, open your eyes. We're going to start with 3 rounds of yogic breathing, but we're going to do it strong. So in the last video, we did it kind of very slow and gentle. In this video, we're going to do it a little faster and more powerfully. So I'll guide you through 3 rounds of that, and then we'll finish the practice by doing the even breath, samavriti, for a few minutes. So get in touch with your 3 breathing centers. We'll just take a few slowly at first to warm up. Breathing into the belly, chest, neck, and release. Belly, chest, neck, and release. Do one more. Good, now let's do 20 of them, but strong. You can watch me if you like. 5 more. Last one. And return to your normal breath. And just watch what's happening. Notice any tingling, any feeling of lightness. Contrasting the pull of your sit bones to the mat, the lightness pulls you higher. And whatever you're feeling, just accept. If you're feeling dizzy or lightheaded, it's okay. Whenever you're feeling that, just take it easy. Slow it down. And let's prepare for another round. We'll go for 25. But if you don't want to do 25, if you want to do a little less, or if you want to do it less strong because you feel dizzy, that's fine. Just go with how you feel. If you feel good, let's do 25. Inhale together. Exhale it all out. And begin. Five more. Release. Resume your normal breathing. Encourage you to turn your palms up. Notice any tingling sensation in the palms, in the arms, in the fingers. Just observing, accepting, being. Notice any points of tension or discomfort in the body as you are present with yourself, and just relax any tension that's left so you can fully experience the endless presence of being. And let's get ready for our last round of yogic breathing. We'll go for 30 breaths. Again, if you feel at any point it's too much and you've finished, then stop and just return to your natural breathing. But if you feel good, let's go for 30. Everyone breathe in together. Exhale out. And begin. That's 15. $20. 5 more. And relax. Release and relax. Return to your normal, natural breath. And feel what's happening in your body. Feel the quality of your mind. Everything happening. It's all good. It's all right. And we'll finish up today's practice with a few minutes of even breath. Inhaling for an even count and exhaling for the same amount of time. Typically you can count numbers in your head or you can go by heartbeat, but I'll do it for you. Just follow my guidance. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue on yourself in your own way, at your own pace. And make the breath gradually longer. Longer inhale, longer exhale. Continue on like this for a few more minutes until you hear the bell.